This Lenovo ThinkCentre has a few dents, and it's not in the best condition. So we're going to open it, see if it works, and have a look at what the original owner was using it for. But before we test this Lenovo ThinkCentre, we should probably clean it first. And to clean it, we're going to be using this bucket of soapy water. Give it a bit of a why. I mean, you want to try not to use too much. Yeah, you also want to make sure you proper scrub the front I/O panel. This thing is actually really dirty. Look at that, it's turned yellow. I don't know how you can see that. Alright, we can now flip this on its side. Shall we? Okay, rub down the back end as well. Now we need to just wipe all of this soapy water off because, well, we don't really want any getting into the computer. Now let's see what's inside of it. Wait, I think they're on hand. Oh, they're not even tight. Okay. Oh my god, that's actually really dusty. I don't know what I was expecting, but that's bad. There's a hard drive in there, so that's good. Anyways, we haven't got a VGA cable, so let's install a graphics card. Why is there actual cobwebs in here? Graphics card is in. I'm just going to put this side panel back on. Now we just need to plug in the HDMI cable. Let's turn it on. Why is the CD... What? Oh my god, there's a 4 disc in there. The disc is a bit dirty. Right, I'm just going to leave the disc in there to soak. There's a guy named Daz, and there's Windows 7 on it. What do you reckon his password is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, the keyboard's not even connected, is it? Password hint. Wait, incorrect is the password hint. Is that the password? Was that his actual password? Okay, well, his password is literally incorrect. Okay, there's a load of children on my screen. Stolen? What is it? Why is there a file called Sean Paul? Oh, hello, it's all movie here. Alright, this guy's been pirating stuff. Fast and Furious 6. Wait, why do people not reformat their computers before selling them? There's definitely a virus on this computer. How much RAM does this thing have? Has it got 3 gigs of RAM? Oh no, 4 gigs. Oh. That's alright. Escape plan, what's that? Do you reckon there's anything in videos? Oh my, okay, there is women's breasts on my screen. 2 sexy MILFs, hello. Let's not go in the video files. Films, what films does he stole? Oh my god, they've got music. Alright, what's bear share? I assume this computer was just used to pirate stuff. Has he used his calculator? How do we view the history? Let's have a look at the Sean Paul folder. What's now 89? Probably change the screen resolution. Oh, there we go, that's a lot better. Right, now we can watch his videos in proper quality. Oh, has he got any games? Oh, no. I want to play Purple Place. I haven't played that in ages. Look at this. Oh, I can't put it on big screen for some. Alright, let's make chocolate cake. Oh, it's not a heart shape. Oh, well, there we go. Okay, we can send that up. Well, these are just the default Windows games. Alright, so this is everything that's on the computer. Now, let's have a little look inside. It is slightly dusty, which it could do with a clean. This thing's in the way. How do we take this up? We can just take the front cover off, can't we? That is full of dust. Look at that. Should we test if the disc works? Let's turn it back on. Oh, it's not plugged in, is it? Alright, so let's see if this CD that came with this computer works. So let's give it a bit of a rinse off. Let's open the CD drive. Now, we literally just put that in, like that. We can then close it. Let's have a look if it loads. Is it going to recognise? I think it's trying to read it. You can try taking it out and putting it back in. But we might need to wipe it. Let's see if that does anything. I mean, there's definitely a disc in there. I can try flipping it around. I don't think the CD drive motor's spinning. Might have to hit it with something a bit harder. To be fair, I can't hear it spin, so the motor might be a bit bad in it. I think I broke the hard drive. The hard drive's now making clicking noises. Hard drives aren't really that good anyway. Look at the dust that comes out of that when you whack it. Oh no, the CD drive's stuck. We might have to unbend it. Oh, wait, this thing... Oh, I didn't know it did that. How do we take this off? I've undone the 2 screws there, but it's still... Oh, it slides out. Oh, that makes sense. Hang on, how do we... It's a bit stiff. There we go. It is a bit bent. Plug the power into it. Well, it appears our CD is stuck in there. So let's try and get this CD out. I've only got this hammer on me, so... Well, that bit's in the way. It won't close because this thing's in the way. Hang on, we can just bend it in, can't we? There we go, look at that. That'll do. Now we can try and get the CD out of here. So I'm going to try pulling this out first. Oh, actually, that looks like to be a tab there. Let's try not to break this. Try and use these cheap Chinese tools to open it. Oh, that was... Is that all I had to do? That was quite easy. Oh, that was... Okay, I've fixed it. Look at that. Oh, it has damaged the 4 disc a little bit, but I'm sure it'll still work. Alright, so now we can clean the dust out of this PC. So now that this thing is clean-ish, we're going to take this all apart so we can reuse the stuff in a different computer. So the motherboard and power supply works in this, so we're going to reuse it. Take the power supply out first. It should be held in by these 4 screws. There we go. Alright, that's out. We'll leave it there for now. Now this should just jiggle out. Yes, there we go. Look at that. There's a slight bit of dust behind there, but nothing too bad. And now let's see how crusty the thermal paste is. Probably is, but I highly doubt the thermal paste has been replaced. Why is it? The thermal paste is quite... Yeah, look at that. That's meant to be a liquid. Let's take this off and let's go rinse this off under the sink. Let's just spray some soapy water on this. And then we literally just rinse it off. Get all the loose dust off. So now that we've cleaned the motherboard-ish and the CPU cooler, let's put it together and see if it posts. Get this power supply and then pretty much just connect it. Let's turn it on. It's revving. Right, so that's probably going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, all that stuff. And we'll see you next week.